Hello friends, today we write essay on global warming. Let's start. Global warming is the cumulative rise in average global temperature on Earth measured over a long period. It has been attributed to the large scale deforestation by men for different purposes. We consume a lot of fuel annually. With an increase in the human population, it has become impossible to meet people's fuel requirements. Natural resources are limited and we must use them judiciously. If we exploit natural resources like forest and water bodies, it will create an imbalance in the ecosystem. Global warming is not limited to the rise in temperature. It has other effect too. Many parts of the world are witnessing natural disasters like hurricanes, floods, and avalanches. All these phenomena are a direct result of global warming. To prevent our environment from the harmful effect of global warming, we must restoring our ecosystem. Man has been exploiting natural resource without giving the environment anything in return. This needs to be stopped. We must all join forces to make this world a better place for our future generation who deserve this planet as much as well do. The basic step that we can follow the increases the overall health of our planet is planting trees. Afforestation should be our primary goal. The earth can become a better place if we pledge to plant as many trees as we can in our life. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, then share, comment and like this video. Thank you.